While it's true that some individuals have made money through cryptocurrency investments, it's important to approach such endeavors with caution and awareness of the risks involved. Here are some general tips if you're considering using cryptocurrency for life coaching or any other business. Educate yourself. Before investing in or using cryptocurrency, thoroughly educate yourself about the market, various cryptocurrencies, and the technology behind them, blockchain. Understanding the risks and potential rewards is crucial. Diversify your investments. Don't put all your funds into a single cryptocurrency. Diversifying your investments can help manage risk. Consider a mix of well-established cryptocurrencies and newer projects with growth potential. Stay informed. Cryptocurrency markets can be highly volatile and subject to rapid changes. Stay updated on market trends, news, and regulatory developments that could impact the value of your investments. Risk management. Only invest what you can afford to lose. Cryptocurrency markets can be unpredictable, and it's essential to have a risk management strategy in place. Legal and regulatory compliance. Be aware of the legal and regulatory environment regarding cryptocurrencies in your jurisdiction. Ensure that your activities comply with relevant laws and regulations. Security measures. Take security seriously. Use reputable wallets and exchanges, enable two-factor authentication, and consider cold storage options for long-term holdings. Protect your private keys and sensitive information. Consult financial advisors. It's advisable to consult with financial advisors or experts who understand both traditional finance and the cryptocurrency space. They can provide personalized advice based on your financial goals and risk tolerance. Integration with life coaching. If you plan to integrate cryptocurrency into your life coaching business, clearly communicate the risks to your clients and ensure compliance with relevant regulations. Be transparent about your involvement in the cryptocurrency market. Remember that while some have achieved financial success with cryptocurrencies, there are also significant risks, including the potential for financial loss. It's crucial to make informed decisions, stay vigilant, and continuously reassess your investment strategy based on the evolving market conditions. Always seek professional advice when in doubt. Certainly. When it comes to educating yourself about cryptocurrency, it's important to understand both the technology behind it, blockchain, and the dynamics of the market. Here's a breakdown of key aspects to consider. Blockchain technology. Definition: blockchain is a decentralized, distributed ledger technology that underlies most cryptocurrencies. It consists of a chain of blocks, each containing a list of transactions. How it works: transactions are grouped into blocks, and each block is linked to the previous one, forming a chain. This ensures transparency, security, and immutability of data. Cryptocurrencies. Definition: cryptocurrencies are digital or virtual currencies that use cryptography for security and operate on a decentralized network, usually a blockchain. Popular cryptocurrencies: Bitcoin, BTC, Ethereum, ETH, Ripple, XRP, Litecoin, LTC, and many others. Wallets. Definition: cryptocurrency wallets are digital tools that allow users to store and manage their cryptocurrencies securely. Types of wallets: hardware wallets, software wallets, desktop, mobile, online, and paper wallets. Exchanges. Definition: cryptocurrency exchanges are platforms where users can buy, sell, or trade cryptocurrencies. Types of exchanges: centralized exchanges, CEX, and decentralized exchanges, DEX. Investing and trading. Investing: buying and holding cryptocurrencies with the expectation of long-term appreciation. Trading: buying and selling cryptocurrencies to take advantage of short-term price movements. Risk management. Volatility: cryptocurrency markets are known for their price volatility. Understanding and managing this risk is crucial. Diversification: spreading investments across different assets can help mitigate risk. Regulatory landscape. Global variances: cryptocurrency regulations vary by country and region. Stay informed about the legal and regulatory environment in your jurisdiction. Security. Private keys. A private key is a crucial element in cryptocurrency ownership. It's essential to keep it secure and never share it with others. Two-factor authentication, 2FA, adding an extra layer of security to your accounts. Continuous learning. Market trends. Stay updated on market trends, new technologies, and emerging projects. Community engagement. Participate in cryptocurrency communities, forums, and discussions to learn from others and share knowledge. Remember that the cryptocurrency space is dynamic, and staying informed is key to making informed decisions. Utilize reputable sources, follow industry experts, and be open to continuous learning as the technology and market evolve. Diversifying your investments is a fundamental principle in risk management and financial planning. It involves spreading your investment capital across different assets or asset classes to reduce the impact of a poor-performing investment on your overall portfolio. Here are some key points to consider when diversifying your cryptocurrency investments. Spread across cryptocurrencies. Instead of concentrating your investments in a single cryptocurrency, consider diversifying across multiple cryptocurrencies. Different cryptocurrencies have distinct use cases, technologies, and potential for growth. Allocate across asset classes. Beyond cryptocurrencies, diversify across different asset classes. Traditional asset classes like stocks, bonds, and real estate can provide a more balanced and stable portfolio. Consider stablecoins. Stablecoins are cryptocurrencies pegged to the value of traditional fiat currencies like USD. They offer stability and can be used as a hedge against the volatility of other cryptocurrencies. Explore different investment strategies. Consider a mix of long-term investments and shorter-term trading strategies. Long-term holdings can provide stability, while trading may take advantage of short-term market movements. Geographical diversification. Consider investing in cryptocurrencies from different regions or projects with global appeal. This can help mitigate risks associated with regional regulatory changes or market-specific events. Include blue-chip cryptocurrencies. Blue-chip cryptocurrencies, like Bitcoin and Ethereum, are considered more established and less risky compared to newer, smaller projects. Including these in your portfolio can provide stability. Risk tolerance. Assess your risk tolerance and investment goals. Diversification should align with your risk appetite, ensuring that your portfolio is structured in a way that you are comfortable with. Regularly rebalance your portfolio. Periodically review and rebalance your portfolio to ensure it aligns with your investment strategy and risk tolerance. Market conditions and the performance of different assets can change over time. Stay informed. Continuously monitor market trends, news, and developments in the cryptocurrency space. Stay informed about the projects you've invested in and the broader market conditions. Professional advice. Consider seeking advice from financial professionals or investment advisors, especially if you are unsure about your investment strategy. They can provide personalized guidance based on your financial situation and goals. Diversification doesn't eliminate risk entirely, but it can help manage and spread it across different assets. Remember that the right balance of diversification depends on your individual financial goals, risk tolerance, and investment horizon. Staying informed is crucial when dealing with cryptocurrency investments due to the dynamic and rapidly evolving nature of the market. Here are some key strategies to help you stay informed. News sources. Regularly follow reputable cryptocurrency news websites, blogs, and financial news platforms. These sources can provide up-to-date information on market trends, regulatory developments, and notable events. Social media and forums. Join cryptocurrency communities on platforms like Twitter, Reddit, and specialized forums. Engaging in discussions with other enthusiasts and experts can provide valuable insights and real-time updates. Official project channels. Follow official social media channels, blogs, and newsletters of the cryptocurrencies you are interested in. Updates from the project teams themselves can offer in-depth insights into their development progress and future plans. Podcasts and webinars.